Milo's very interested in what his dad's doing. He likes the tractor. Milo loves the tractor. I don't know why, but he does. Milo versus the tractor. Is that it, Milo? Is it Milo versus the tractor? I think he's challenging you. Milo's decided to roll in the dirt that Tom's ploughed up. You are a daft beggar, Milo. Are you supervising Milo? Are you making sure he's doing it right? Or just following him around? I think Milo's supervising, sort of. Supervising and following. Tell you, he loves the tractor. He has no fear of it at all. But then again, Milo's got no fear of anything. Typical donkey. Zorro's decided she's going to drive the tractor. Is that good fun, Zorro? You gonna go sleep on it?